The 2025 edition of the Champions Trophy is set to begin from February 19 to March 9 across 3 venues in Pakistan and 1 in Dubai. According to report, ICC to make an exemption for a struggling PCB ahead of Champions Trophy 2025. PCB faces tough deadline ahead of Champions Trophy as PCB is racing against time to finish the construction of all the new stadiums for the ICC Champions Trophy. In a surprising move, ICC has stepped in to help Pakistan with 8 teams participating in the ICC tournament, which is returning after 2017 edition and with less than 2 weeks left. The Pakistan Cricket Board has spent around 12 billion Pakistani rupees on renovation, construction and installation of equipments at all 3 venues in Lahore and Karachi. Still, they have struggled to meet the deadline. That is where ICC's exclusivity period, wherein ICC demands all the facilities to be ready in advance, 3 weeks in advance before a major ICC tournament starts, with less than 2 weeks left. The Karachi stadium is still undergoing construction, and for that ICC has come in to help PCB by letting them utilize the new stadiums to play a tri-series between South Africa, New Zealand and Pakistan from February 8. Now, PCB was thinking that everything is going according to plan, but isn't, as the opening ceremony has been cancelled. According to Pakistani media, the late arrival of England and Australian cricket teams in Pakistan have made them cancel the opening ceremony. The England team is currently in India for a 3-match ODI series, which is a 3-match ODI series against India. The first ODI will be played at Nagpur on February 6th. The second ODI will be played on February 9th in Cuttack, and the third and final ODI will be played in Ahmedabad on February 12th. After that, England will move to Pakistan on February 18th. While talking about Australia, they are currently in Sri Lanka for a 2-match test series and a 2-match ODI series. After that, they'll move to Pakistan on February 19. Now, the Champions Trophy 2025 is set to begin from February 19 to March 9, wherein India will not travel to Pakistan due to security concerns between 2 teams. So, India will play its matches at a neutral venue, and citing that, a report came in that tickets for a highly anticipated clash between arch rivals India and Pakistan, tickets were sold within a minute on a sale on Monday. The rush was so intense that 150,000 fans eagerly waited, making the waiting time to extend an hour. Now, moving on to that, India and Australia are 2 sides teams with good at ICC Champions Trophy, as they have won the ICC Champions Trophy twice. India have won it in 2002 and 2013, while Australia have won it in 2006 and 2009. The host Pakistan is coming in the tournament as a defending champions, as they won the last edition in 2017, defeating India in a thrilling final. Now, will PCB be able to meet the deadline? Can Pakistan defend its title? Do share your opinions on the comments section. And until then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.